Good morning, everyone. Sorry for my rough appearance. It's 27 degrees outside, and I've tested positive for COVID again. So I've been in isolation for a little while. And while I was here anyway, I just figured I'd make a few things that I've been wanting for my cook kit and maybe put together a little something else. So we'll discuss that in just a second. Okay, here's what I wanted to talk about today. I bought this Pathfinder cook set, I think is what they call it, or bedroll cook set or something like that. And I'm happy with it. I went over in one of my other videos a little modification I had to make because one of these tines were super thin. But overall, yeah, in my opinion, it was a good purchase. But one thing that I was thinking that it's kind of lacking a little bit is I was hoping it would have a regular little meat fork for like a squirrel cooker or something like that. This grating is great for a lot of things, but you know, for some things I would just rather have the meat fork. And so I started thinking about it, and none of this looks all that hard to make. And also, Dave has gone through the trouble of actually making some videos on how to make some of this stuff. So that leads us to my next little thing here I'm going to show you. Alright, this is my backyard forge, and I burn coal in it, just regular anthracite coal from Tractor Supply, $9 for a 40-pound bag. You do have to keep it pretty hot to keep it going. It's not like the other type of coal where you can let it go out for a while or let it cool down for a while and then just blow it back up. You pretty much have to have a blower going on it all the time. I just use a little air mattress blower that's piped up to the bottom right there. I'm gonna upgrade that to some larger tubing. So let me show you what I made with this. Okay, so here's the basic Pathfinder cook set as purchased. And I wanted that little meat fork. So with a slight learning curve, I was able to throw this together. I'm probably going to cut this little leaf off the bottom of it just to make it a little bit more packable. But now that's compatible with this cook set. So I can bring all of those or just one or any combination, doesn't matter. So now if I want to cook a squirrel or something like that, or hey, maybe even another gopher, I have these tines to do so. But then I started thinking, what if I can combine some of these parts? Let's just throw that over there. So I made this little rod, and I just tapered it off on the end. So this will stab in the ground just like the Pathfinder cook set would. But I have this. It's like a little sausage or hot dog cooker with a little bail hook on the other end. So now, if I want to hang a pot or something like that over the fire, or well, this side would be using the tines. I can do that, or I can come out of here, run that hook back up in there, and now it's a pot hook. So then I found some metal that would looks like it would spark pretty well, and using my forge I now have a bonus piece. I've tried this striker out, it works very well, and unfortunately this one's not going camping or getting sent out to anyone because my significant other has laid claim to it, and rightfully so. Being I think this was actually the first thing I made on my forge, so I'm gonna go ahead and let her have that for a keepsake. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this little thing and how the common man can absolutely put something together like this pretty easily. So I hope you're having a great week. I hope you stay healthy, and I hope you accomplish everything you set out to. Have a good one. Bye.